cheaper if you just want to do normal calls and puts, but that's that. I'm doing the
There's Jody.
Hold on. Here I am. There we go. It's because I exited out of that window. Yeah, 60% off is huge, and it's only here until the 2nd, January 2nd, guys. So I mean, if you want an account for cheap, now's the time to do it. You got a couple days.
For that cheap.
I mean, that's fair. That's very cheap. Under $100 for an advanced options account. You just walk in and start selling spreads. That's unheard of. Like, if anybody knows anything about selling spreads normally, there's no world where you can start selling spreads for under $100. Doesn't exist. But with Vanquish, it does. So, shout out. It's freaking awesome. Huh. Whatever. I'm just going to use my extended family's social security number to open multiple accounts. The real hack with prop firms is the payout systems. For those that maybe don't know, a lot of prop firms allow you to get paid out in crypto. A lot of people wonder, well, how does that help you with taxes and all that? Well, what's cool about it is if you pay yourself out in crypto, you're going to pay yourself out in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USD, one of those. When you get paid out in that, you're getting paid out in an investment. So if you were to sell it, you're going to pay capital gains tax. Whereas if you don't sell it and you just own your Bitcoin, let's say I just took $10,000 in payouts, right? But through crypto. And now I have $10,000 in Bitcoin. Instead of trying to liquidate that $10,000 in Bitcoin and paying capital gains tax on it, I go take a loan out against my $10,000 in Bitcoin. I never have to sell my position and pay capital gains tax on it, but I get $10,000 in cold hard cash. It's the system, baby. Use the system. It's an amazing thing. You all can do it too. It's set up that way for a reason. This is what the rich do all day long. What do you guys think Elon does? All his Tesla stock. You think all these rich guys do? You think they have a bunch of cold hard cash? No, they have investments. So what do they do with those investments? They use that as collateral. You get loans against those positions. They need $50,000 in cold hard cash. They're not going to sell fucking $50,000 worth of Tesla stock and pay taxes on that. Hell no. You're going to take a loan out for 50 grand against your Tesla shares. Pay no tax.
And then go buy a brand new car or pay your bills.
There you go. Like, people like, you'll tell people this and they'll react like it's some like hidden information. Like, guys, this is out in the world for everybody to know. This is no hidden information. This is the exact reason that you cannot tax the rich. It's because they don't make income. They're living off of investments and taking out loans against the investments that they own and not selling them and letting them forever grow. This is what they do. So that's the real way to capitalize off prop firms. Because everybody comes back and says, wow, you get 1099 tax, you get 1099 tax. Well, You can get 1099 tax if you just jump through. You just gotta jump through some hoops, and you don't have to do that.
Jordan,
I need to get out of
Jordan,
California.
you ever heard of a solo 401k?
A solo 401k?
Yeah.
No, how is that different than a normal 401k?
So this is what people compare it to for a SEP IRA for self-employed, like for business owners. So like you can take loans out of your 401k up to $50,000.
That makes sense.
Which is insane.
See, there's all these little hacks and these like weird little loopholes that are out there, but like, again, is the average person ever gonna know that? No, just not. We're not taught it. They're not gonna just willingly teach you that, like, you know, but it's out there. No, Chase, that's not what I'm saying. I'm not saying take the money from props and reinvest in long-term stock shares and you won't be taxed. No. Because you're taxed on that money you make from the prop firm, right? I just got lima beans and ham handed to me. It's amazing. Being paid in Bitcoin is a taxable transaction. Never said it wasn't, but only if you sell it.
All right, this price action on SPY drying up here. I'm about to go get some lunch. Just watch HIMS. They continues to show weakness down here. You can get a slow and steady grind down to $30. Other than that, nothing else looking too interesting. We got FOMC minutes in 1 hour, so I'm gonna go get some lunch and I will be right back.
Heard that. I'm doing the same thing. Spreads are at 3 cents. I could probably live off of this food. It's literally just lima beans and ham. That's it. Some seasoning. But I feel like I could eat this shit for so long. Mm. Time is it? 9:43. What's up?
Coming up here a little bit. Still just in the middle.
Emp should be off the Tesla space soon.
We're in between these gamma levels still, and we have a bit of a what am I talking about? It's not POC, but it's a bit of like a a line, a bit of a zone in the POC from just the options volume for strike. About 69.50. So we literally just have a perfect like 10-point increments of just nothing happening.
I don't even know what to do with Tesla. But I'm just going to let it do its thing. I had a lot of confidence here, but I just don't know what the fuck it wants to do now. Is this live? As in 11:44 Central Standard Time. Would it be 11? Yeah. Yes, sir. Hey, do you all have a Discord channel? A lot of the crew does. I know Casey does. I'm not personally really in the Discord. I'm kind of just in everybody's, but a lot of the crew does. I see you all like to trade spreads. Yeah, most of us. A lot of us trade, futures for the most part, but I always enjoy some spreads. I've been getting more into it recently. So yeah, the spreads are fun.
They're so statistically in your favor.
What credit spreads you on? I sold 615s this morning at 17 cents. They're at 3. My premium on them is 14 cents. So doing all right on them. I sold majority of them already. I had 50. Yeah, I'm getting into SPX spreads a little bit more. Which accounts do you buy? Are you talking about the Vanquish account for trading options on prop? Do the advanced options account if you want to sell spreads. Yeah, just getting into spreads. I started with QQQ. But obviously the benefits of doing it on SPX or NDX is much better. So I'm going to switch over to SPX. Let's see. I really wish I had just started earlier. Gosh, man. If I wasn't so fucking stingy and just started selling options earlier. That's why I'm telling you guys. I'm like, if you're in the chat and you haven't done this and you're sitting around like constantly losing money trying to trade options normally, like, bro, just try it out. I'm telling you. It's worth it. Your thoughts on Tesla? Looks dumpy here. I mean, intraday, yeah. Came up to these highs. Starting to roll it over, right? I just don't have a lot of conviction for too much lower on Tesla, at least for today. We took out previous day's lows. We're kind of sweeping those lows. I would expect this candle to kind of close where it's at. So I would expect us to hold on Tesla the rest of the day, to be honest. But bigger time frame, I still have 50% retracement of this range, which we can definitely trade into. I'm not going to expect that today, though. And then we have this gap created and the half gap of that gap at 472.10. So in between these two spots, we could go to either one, you know. This man said over 100K is not enough capital to sell spreads. Well, it's wrong. Vanquish, even with discount, is $200 per month. I showed you that you could get an advanced options account for less than $100. Literally like $79. Advanced options account. Use code WOLF. Yeah, spreads are for margin accounts only. Guys, you could sell spreads with a $10,000 account. You don't need this crazy amount of money. You could sell spreads with an even cheaper account. It matters how wide you're going. I did an entire live stream with Knots on how to do spreads on Saturday. You can go back and watch the long form version of the live stream, or you can wait until tomorrow morning when I post the video of that.
I tuned in. I can't talk today. I tuned in for like 15 minutes for that.
You're good. Yeah, it was fun. Want to do more of those educational pieces like that. It's fun. What the fuck is happening?
Okay. Go to the top of the range or the bottom of the range.
What are we doing? What time is it? Oh my gosh, it's way too early in the day still. You're joking me.
Not even 1.
It's not even 1 p.m. Eastern. Oh, brutal.
It's basically a covered call, but without having to buy the shares. Sometimes it depends on the spread.
Yeah. But essentially, yeah, you're just looking to collect premium off of it.
Looking basically to put on a contract to earn premium and then a contract to hedge yourself and make the difference. That'll limit your upside and allow you to take a position like that without having to actually own the stock outright. It's a more complicated way of losing money. That's why us quants are in business, baby.
Yep. Yo, what's good, MTL? Wait. Have you done that? Because I don't think there's anybody that liked you're 100% against your Bitcoin. I am confused by that comment. I do not understand. How much will you need to start or until you make certain profits? I mean, I showed you, right? The cheapest options account for advanced options, if you want to sell options on Vanquish, is under $100. $80. So there's obviously some more expensive accounts if you want them, but what's the term Webull uses for call or put spreads? I'm not seeing it. Vertical. Thoughts on QQQ right now? Choppy, slow, on a low volume week. Not much opportunity. All the opportunity to make money directionally was early in the morning. So, Brandon, you don't need to pick your spreads just from the vertical. Like the way I pick my spreads is I go to single. And like this morning, I sold the 615s, bought the 607s. So all I did was I went over to the 615s, I sold them. And then I went over to the 607s. And I added them, right? Plus sign. Add them to this leg. Then I got in 50 of these. And I got in them at 17 cents. Right? So this is my position. Then I confirm and send. Bam. Was in. Right? So that's just how I do it. Because if you go vertical, you're forced to pick the contracts that they choose for you. I don't want to be forced to pick those contracts. I want to pick my own. That's a put spread that I did. It's a put spread. Vertical can be call or put spread. Yeah, you can do verticals on Vanquish. Look at guys. Look at my screen. Watch. You can do all of these. See, but when I'm getting in an Iron Condor, I don't go here. If I'm getting in an Iron Condor, I'm in put spreads. I find an opportunity to sell call spreads. I sell call spreads, and then I'm in both, and that creates an Iron Condor. But yeah, you can do all of those positions. All these. Calendar, diagonal, butterfly. All of them. Yes, this is a prop firm, Malachi. Options prop firm. You do have to close them daily. You will be closed out of your positions end of day. They do not have swing trading accounts yet. but in the future, sounds like they want to. For spreads, though, I don't ever want to hold overnight, really, so I'm good. It's fine with me. Is there a drawdown? Well, of course, yeah. Like, it depends on what account you get, but like the 50K account that I have has a $2,500 drawdown. 5K profit target. Yes, sir. This is an options prop firm. It's funny how I'll use it and I know that people like don't, it doesn't register like, oh, I'm in an options prop firm. Yeah. You guys can use code Wolf. It's called Vanquish Trader. I'll show you the website if you want to see it. They're running a massive sale right now. If you guys use code Wolf, 60% off all of their accounts. You can literally get the cheapest options account for under $100. So amazing accounts. Highly recommend. I recommend the advanced ones. The normal ones are fine. I recommend the advanced ones. Hello?
Oh, you're saying that to me. I was like, hi?
No, you're good.
No,
I'm getting the spinning wheel of death. Well, if you put code Wolf on this, it'll go down to $79. That's all I was trying to show. Damn it. It's my face again. Hold on. There we go. Send me link, please. I will send link in chat. Link for Vanquish has been sent in chat. What's the difference between advanced and regular? Advanced, you can sell spreads. You can do all these. You can do all of these different types of strategies. With a normal options account, all you can do is single leg calls and puts, which means you can buy calls or you can buy puts. That's it. You can't sell spreads. You can't do any of that. So that's the difference. And drawdown as well. You have an end of day drawdown on advanced options accounts, which is why I prefer those as well. Holy Mew. Wait. Holy Jazzicizer? Holy Jazzicizer.
That thing is sick. That's that. I
Get the Masters going? Gav would be proud. Gav would be proud. I don't get the incentive to use prop firm because tax treatment is also different than using your own capital, isn't it? Yeah. But there's, I mean, I was just talking about it a little earlier. There's ways to get around that as well. Most prop firms let you get paid out in crypto, which helps you get around some of the tax implications. Is this prop firm for options? Yes, sir. Vanquish is a prop firm for options. I posted the website up above. It is pinned in the chat. My good people. My good people. I promise. I take care of you. I take care of you. I put the link. Easy to find. Use code Wolf. Save some money. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go put this in the dishes. I'll be back. Get these put spreads to 2 cents.
We doing chat? I close my charts actually, so that way this stop lagging. It's in the chat, just a little lower go back to where M said Holy Mew. It's right before that. Chilling in the same spot. Not time to hit the gas. Maybe bouncing at 650s again.
I don't see the link. It's not. Scroll up in the chat for Vanquish. Sitting in the chat. Above Emp's comment that said Holy Mew. Oh, it might be because Malachi might be in. It's because you're in. You're on Casey's channel, aren't you? Might be the issue.
Oh, that makes sense.
If you're on Casey's channel, come over to the Wolf channel to find the link because that's why it's not showing up. I just posted it in chat again. Yeah, if you come over to the Wolf Trading channel, just type in Wolf Trading. I can just type in Wolf Trading on YouTube. We'll be there. This is us. I can't see the chat though. Well, if you go onto the Wolf Trading channel, I'll post the link on there for you again and you can see it. Or just go to, you can just freaking just go to vanquishtrader.com and you can just use code WOLF at checkout. This is what it looks like. So no, I did it again. Spreads back at 4 cents. I'm in. There he is. posted link again for you. Should be there. There he is.
All right, time for lunch, then for me to think. So I'm just gonna try not to hurt myself. So
Yeah.
I catch you guys. I catch you guys before close. But if I
Sounds good.
I don't know if I'm gonna trade tomorrow. Anything like that.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna get the sleep and then have New Year's, and then I'll be back on Friday.
Agreed. All right.
I
Well, have a
take-
good one, brother.
You too, Doug. Catch you later. See you, chat.
Boy, this market is boring. To be honest, though, after the mornings, it's boring for me every day anyway. It's nothing new for me. After those morning levels get taken, I could care less what the market does ever. Just doesn't matter to me. So market always becomes boring after 11:30 anyway. Whether it's New Year's week or the most poppin' earnings week we've ever had. It's just like, whatever. But hey, we still hang out, have fun. M said he wants to party on stream. Let's do a party on stream tomorrow. Looks like that's what we're doing. I'm with it. If I want to trade credit spreads, what level or how do I build the account? You just need one of the advanced options accounts and you're good. Boring is good for option sellers, you're right. And that's why I like the fact that every day we see things slow down after 11:30, 12 o'clock Eastern. And it just pretty much majority of the time there's opportunity for spreads, and then there's opportunity a lot of the time for me to trade the futures in the morning. And so you're right, it is a good thing. I really don't have an issue with the market getting boring when we after we have those morning moves throughout the day. A lot of the time we just want to be entertaining and have a lot of stuff going on for you guys, you know what I mean? Like, that's really the biggest thing when it's slow. Like, that's why it sucks when it is slow, is because we want to entertain you guys, But like, if you ask me, I love that it gets slow. It's a good thing. It's phenomenal because we're able to sit back and sell spreads, right? And on top of that, I mean, I don't want this shit to go haywire every hour of the day. It's nice that we have these sections, It's like, okay, 9:30 market opens, going to be volatile. After that hour and a half, things start to slow down a bit. Then we get into lunch, and lunch is sideways generally. Then we get out of lunch and can see some moves start to happen. 11 o'clock or 2 p.m. Eastern happens. We get a new 4-hour candle open, right? Like, there's actual sections out kind of in the market of time telling you, hey, like, this is ideal, this is not ideal. And I always know those mornings are going to be best, and then the rest of the day is just chop shit, if you ask me, majority of the time. I don't care about it. DX Trade XT is the platform. Is there an app for phones easy to trade on? I haven't tried it on my phone, but I imagine there is. It's a Forex platform, apparently, that they've made work with their option stuff. It's really good. It's really good. You guys have seen it. I mean, I've showed it to you. This is the platform. It feels like Webull and Thinkorswim put together. And I've had zero issues with the platform. It's been phenomenal. The only thing you guys are going to run into is a sign of agreement for data agreements. You're going to have to go into your email and make sure you go into that email and sign those. After you sign those, you'll be able to open the platform, no problem, and trade. But we day drinking. I mean, it's only 10:13 for me because I'm on Pacific Standard Time. So you gotta give me till power hour at least. Yeah. Gotta give me till power hour. We want DX Trade platform. Yeah, it's a great platform. Can you juggle balls? That would be so entertaining. Honestly, that would be entertaining. Although I can't. it would be entertaining though. I mean, I can show you this new knife I got for Christmas. Dude, this shit when it flips out is like it's a powerful knife when it flips out. It almost flipped out of my hand when I flipped it out the first time. Like really springs out, you know? But new Benchmade knife. Love a good Benchmade knife. Yeah, Benchmade. You know, one of the best. Come on now. Theta becomes your friend when you're selling options. I know, and I fucking love it. I love it. I eat it up, dude. I eat it up. I'm like Pac-Man. Pac-Man just eating up all the premium. It's delicious. I love it. What time do you sell spreads? I'm usually getting into spreads a little earlier than Knots, to be honest. Knots likes to wait till 10:30. I like to get in a little earlier. Not right at open, of course. But I would say like probably if I had to put like a cap on it, I would say like 20 minutes before 10. Like I took these spreads this morning at 9:42, I believe was the exact time. 9:42. Right? So I had freaking 18 minutes until Tradeify has 50% off Lightning funded accounts. Let's go. Use code WOLF. Tradeify. If you guys want some futures accounts. Look up Hogue Knives and Grips. That's a family member of my business. Heard. Oh, these are nice. I've seen these before. I've seen these. Automatic knife. Ballista too. This thing's gotta be sick. Oh. Automatic folder. Oh, yes, please. I would love one. The bayonet blade. Ooh. Bayonet blade. Aluminum frame. 2-ounce weight. Cryogenically heat treated. Wow. That just... It's a beautiful knife. I can get a tomahawk. Can you get a tomahawk? $300 tomahawk. Honestly, that's a nice fucking tomahawk, though. Wow. Tactical rifles? Oh. Oh, this just got dope. Get some grips for my AK-47, huh? Wow. Can laser work the blades, put names and logos on the blade for gifts? Oh, I love that. That's awesome. Hell yeah. Let's go. Look at this chop fest. Ooh, disgusting. Ugh. I need the sun to come out. I need sun. Damn it. It's not gonna. The sun's not gonna be out for like 2 weeks. It's gonna be all clouds, rain. Which I actually like. It's just needs sun right now. Bro. Absolute plebs, bro. Absolute plebs. Pleb behavior. Pleb behavior. Look at B-U-U-U. B-U-U-U-U. What is this? Whoa. What's going on here? Yeah, I don't know what this is, but holding company which operates through its subsidiaries, BU Creation and BU Workshop, its subsidiaries engage in design, planning, production. Headquartered in Hong Kong, China. That's wild. Wonder why it's up so much. I wonder why. Also, by the way, on Vanquish, you get 100% of the profit share, which is dope. 100%. This is beautiful. How often can you request a payout on Vanquish? I forget what Trevor said exactly. I know you have to have a $250 minimum. It's a certain amount of days that you have to trade as well. It's either like 4 or 7. I don't know why I'm blanking on what he said. I forget. Let me try and find it in there for you real quick. I forget, though, exactly what the days were. Oh, wait. Go back. Yeah, I forget what the actual days are, but similar to your normal prop. 100% profit split. That's amazing. No split, just all yours. Tesla was getting so much flow this morning while volume's dead the past week. Yeah, I mean, Tesla's just, what do you do with it, you know? It's hard for me, too, because it did what I wanted. I did exactly what I wanted. It's hard for me to sit here and be like, oh, well, now I expect it to do exactly this perfectly off of that. It's like, nah, gotta let this thing build some structure. But that all-time high. Playing his rejection, as usual. Yeah, Tesla did sweep previous day low, and held that, found some gap fill below some gap fill buyers at that spot. Is Emp on break? He was running the Tesla show. He'll probably be back on soon. I think they just wrapped it up recently. It hit the exact level I drew yesterday. Yeah, there we go. Tesla reports delivery numbers in a few weeks. May chop around till then. Yeah, I don't disagree with that. I would actually like that. A little choppiness, a little slowdown. It's been moving a lot. I'm still running Tesla, almost done. No worries, you're good. Oh, goody. Shit. Can you, I wonder, not that I really want to necessarily, but can I change Oh, I can change all the colors? Let's go. I don't really want to. I like the platform the way it looks right now, but it's nice to know that you can change all that stuff. $0.02 on the spreads? Drain it. Yes. Still freaking 1:30 p.m. Eastern though. What? How much extra could I get? I'll get. I'll get $100 more out of this, so like 360 would be $660 a day on the spreads. Take that. This music that plays on here is gonna drive me nuts. So I'm gonna turn that down a little bit and I'm gonna play my own. Bro, no way it's that loud. There's no chance, man. Stream music, man. Stuff. Well, now this just sounds horrible because there's 2 songs playing. I guess I don't get to do that. Ugh. Restream. Petition to get some better freaking music, man. Subscribe to Vanquish 10K options account. Let's go. $39.60. If it's that cheap, that probably wasn't the advanced options account, right? Which is okay. But if you want to sell spreads, you need the advanced options account. We hit 30K on X. Let's go. Look at that. Look at that. Hey. Let's go, crew. Let's go. How many accounts can you have? I believe 5. That's awesome. Wolf Trading, 30K. Big W's. Big W's in the chat. That's awesome. But yeah, again, just to say again for everybody, I know I've said it multiple times, but again, if you want to sell options, you need the advanced options account with Vanquish. Slapped. They're slappy. Well, I am trying to hold up. Everything's just blurring into one big chart to me right now. 48 subs away from 3K on YouTube. Let's go. If you guys haven't hit that subscribe button yet, you need to hit it. And make sure you like the stream. Do you plan to never buy an option on Vanquish ever? I mean, I have already. But no, not necessarily. It's just like, that's not my goal with trading on there. My goal is to trade spreads. So it's not really like what I'm trying to do on there. But no, I'm not necessarily against it. But I'm also not just going to randomly buy any position, you know? I'm sure Casey is eyeing some stuff into the close for the swing. When he gets back, we'll chat with him about it. Like, we're just smack dab in the middle of this range. No wonder volatility is low. New 4-hour candle come in. Watch how this one closes. Always a good watch. Yes, sir. See if that if we do anything on that. Maybe we get a little back half of the day move. I'm hoping we don't do too much though, because I just want these spreads to play out. They're at 2 cents though. We should be just fine. Oh. Oh. Gosh. Yes, FOMC minutes with the new 4-hour candle. Correct. I don't expect that to do much, but you never know. Bro, the first couple weeks of the new year, shit, the first 2 months, January and February, just stacked with data. And March. And April. And May. Every month is, every week is just stacked. We're going to have so much good data. Jeez. Wow. Starts next week. From next week and on, we're going to have just data every single freaking week. And it's all decently like big data. So all the way until like April. How was the quesadilla yesterday, Ace? They were fucking closed, bro. Again. I was mad. I didn't get it. Didn't get my quesadilla. Not even gonna try today because I know they're not there. They weren't there yesterday. Dude, like y'all want to make fucking money or not, dude? Like, damn it. It's like, I know it's a small business, I know. But it's like, it's like the same small business freaking taking all those vacations, long ass vacations, complaining about how they're barely staying in business. And I'm like, well, maybe if you was working more, maybe if you was feeding me, damn it. Casey, I'm going on a rant because I didn't get my quesadilla yesterday. Again.
Oh, you said you were never, you
These-
said you were never going back if they didn't have it.
Dude,
this
these
time.
fuckers don't want to work, bro. Like, I don't I don't understand.
Were they closed or they just
I'll
didn't
work
have
on
it?
Christmas, bro, and like, yeah, they were closed, dude.
Again?
Cerrado. Fucking.
So, can you Google their hours?
So, yeah, but they don't have their like their holiday hours like published. It's just like,
Oh, yeah. See, I called the other day to make sure this Chinese place was open
dude, I wanted,
because I knew it was Christmas hours, and
I
they're
wanted
like,
to
"Yep,
punch
normal
the glass
schedule."
and make my own quesadilla. Honestly, just like walk in there myself, but be open and take my money. Yeah, but I know people have to get their time to enjoy end of year. I know. I'm like, bro, I want a quesadilla and a horchata.
My
James here.
my MSOS calls filled for a trim, by the way. Woo. Let's fucking go.
We love that. Chinese food on Christmas is an American classic. Gotta love it. I will be right back. Casey, feel free to share the screen. I'm just watching my spreads.
Sounds good.
Oh, it's like we didn't go anywhere.
No, we ain't going nowhere.
We did get the minutes in 15
minutes. We have minutes in 15 minutes. Ooh. So you have for QQQ equilibrium here, little gray box. Previous day high there, and previous day low here. Previous week low there. So yeah, we're going nowhere.
I'm just so ready to get out of this stupid holiday season. Just I just get bored. There's nothing really to like analyze or track or anything. By the way, I just found out Treatify's got 50% off their Lightning funded accounts. The ones that are like straight to funded, no eval stage. They do have 20% consistency on there, but you don't have to worry about an eval. Like you're just instantly funded, and they're 50% off until January 2nd. So you've got until Saturday, I think. Use code Wolf. There's I put a post up on the Wolf trading account about it. Also, I saw where we hit 30K. Let's go, guys.
Let's ride.
Let's ride. Wolf Trading's gonna pass my personal account. In like 9 months.
Today was definitely an Iron Condor day, and I'm sad I did not get filled, but it's all right. I did make the announcement yesterday. The next challenge account will be solely SPX credit spreads.
10K?
Yeah, I'm going to put $10,000 in the account starting January 5th, and there is no goal for this account, except for I would love for that account to end with 6 figures by the end of the year, this time next year. So we will see how it goes.
Chase, we'll see what happens. We have the FOMC minutes coming out at the top of the hour, so just right at 11 minutes. I don't think they're going to be anything. You have Jerome Powell on the way out. You don't really have like any. I mean, the only thing would be is like if a bunch of them are pivoting hard to like no cuts for this year. That would maybe be something I'd be looking for. I don't expect any surprises out of it, but you always have to, keep an eye out for those. So I don't even know how much volatility we're going to get out of them. Now, you could look at it a couple ways as, we're right in the middle of the range. How much volatility can we get out of it? There's a light order book, so there's not like a whole lot. Like I feel like, we could shoot up 20, 30 points or down 20, 30 points in either direction. I don't know. My brain is stuck between the market pulling back a little bit and the holiday season being kind of this very slow, choppy, work your way up a little bit higher. It's pretty obvious they don't want SPX under 6,900. Every time it gets under there, it immediately gets bought back up. But every time it starts to push away from there, it gets pushed right back down. So the magnet is in full force. Dude, how about Intel today, dude?
Dude, I fucking know it. That was the so far that was the trade of the day. That was very fun.
It's kind of funny because
the calls opened up like only 5%. And Tesla puts, so the last two things I said when I was doing the eBay calls, I was like, I'm swinging the Tesla puts. I was like, I'm going to swing these INTC calls. And INTC was up 5% and Tesla was down 5%. And then I just laid into Tesla. I kept screaming about INTC. And then it just, I don't know what happened, dude. Just off to the races.
I just think it's crazy they pushed Intel as hard as they did on that NVIDIA news that was announced in September. Yeah, right to that. I mean, my target when we looked at that trade yesterday, which I didn't take the trade, but my target would have been 38, which is a very, very key level, and it's the 50-day. So it's beautiful once we popped over that a little bit.
Yeah, the main zone I was looking for it to enter was 37.70. And then after that, you're 38, and then you have a volume shelf at 38.2. So I mean, all around $38. That was a really big trend spot this morning.
I was kind of going through some daily charts, and there's charts I like, there's charts I don't like. The thing I don't like the most is the indices are just kind of nowhere right now, which makes it hard for me to like trade some of the individual names. I liked Meta at the open this morning. That one pretty much played out. Broadcom looked good for a little bit. And then the whole market got pushed back down, but it looks like it wants to try to make a move. My Nubank is doing really well today. It broke back out.
I am short on the banks.
Well, Nubank's kind of its own.
But not Nubank.
It's not in that not in that category. But I was looking in continuation. JP Morgan did hit the 9. So did Citi.
I am not short Citigroup or JPM. I refuse. I will not be shorting those names.
It's Wells Fargo or
I am.
Bank of America.
I am.
Poopal.
Morgan Stanley.
The Poopal. Goldman Sachs looks like a pretty good one too. The double top.
I haven't traded that one in forever. I mean,
it's tough because it's been straight up to the right. It's overextended, but it's like 800 something, 883. So it's like a lot higher premiums.
Yeah, see, I'm chasing most of these, to be honest with you, because most of them had daily evening stars.
Yeah, it was yesterday morning was the entry on most of them.
Yeah, yesterday morning session was the entry. So I still believe banks can go lower than where they are at now. I think you could probably see another $10 on Goldman Sachs. I think you can see a little bit lower across the board on Wells Fargo, Morgan Stanley, and BAC. So I gave myself room to add into this position. But yeah, yesterday, BAC, when it broke around 55.85 was the entry short. So a lot of them are already playing out. I'm just looking now for the continuation. So we'll see how she goes. Someone said Disney new high of day.
Disney.
Disney. Oh, Disney is trying to.
That's a nice bounce up to 200 day.
I'm alright. Had some drill a little bit here. Oh, and just full gap fill. Well, recently it filled the gap on Christmas Eve. Now it's just getting continuation.
I closed out my Rivian puts for like right at 100%.
Hell yeah! I have an alert set right there at $19.
I have 1925 as the next level, but once it hit like 19, it broke 20 and got down to like 19.6. So I went ahead and covered.
Yeah. So I was gonna sell some more covered calls on it, but you can't get any premiums for it. So I was like, well, I'm not gonna obviously chase it short either. So I'll wait for this move down to 19, see what it does here.
What'd you take on Morgan Stanley? 175s?
170s.
170s.
Yeah, a little farther out.
IWM looks bad, by the way.
Yeah. It does. Morgan Stanley out of the three is probably my least favorite one. I do think you can see a move down to 176, 175. Full target for me is going to be around 173, 172. I'd be very surprised if it does see 170. If it does, it would not be within the next month. You would probably need to have maybe March contracts by that point. But, I mean, they get a little pricey once you start playing with those ones. I mean, even doing... Let me see. Whoopsies. I mean, the 175s for January 16 aren't bad. They're around $295. The 170s aren't terrible for February. Someone said EXPE. Expedia. Weekly? Yeah, I mean, a little overextended here.
SMCI.
What the hell? What is it doing?
Let's take an SMCI trade.
My Discord would kill me if I traded that again.
I'm doing it.
What the hell, Trading View? Oh, what do you mean I don't have access to it? I think I literally have it turned. I have the indicator turned on over here. What do you mean? Tell me I don't have access to this indicator. What do we have? A minute and 10 seconds until potentially nothing. But we'll see. Saying I don't have access to anything. You've reached the maximum number of studies. Well, that's bullshit. You're just glitching.
SMCI news with XAI.
SMCI!
SEI is also moving. Solaris
SEI.
Energy Infrastructure.
That it is. Sticky with the blicky. All right. We got 25 seconds until the nothing burger happens. Watch it be something like crazy. Everyone thinks FOMC minutes will be a nothing burger, and watch it just give us the biggest move of the entire freaking day.
All right. here comes the minutes.
We are going to go nowhere. Dude, volume point control is literally right there. Get ready for something, maybe nothing.
I'm just listening to them read out the several saw risk of higher inflation becoming entrenched. Some saw keeping rates on hold appropriate for some time. Most judged further rate cuts likely appropriate over time. As these come out, IWM looks like it wants to just die.
Hold on. I think Emp already said this, but Tradeify Lightning accounts are 50% off.
Yeah, that's what I was saying earlier. The lightning funded ones that are straight funded, 50% off the 25K and the 50K. I think the 50K is like $250 with the discount.
Let me see.
No eval or activation. You're just funded immediately.
Oh, what the shit?
Well, my son is fired up about Danny
Dude,
Go right now.
He is
stoked.
He is like happy as heck.
Cruising.
Cruise. I just found a 50K account in Tradeify. I didn't know I had.
Gotta love that.
There's like nothing in those minutes.
When did I buy another 50K account? How long has this one been sitting here? What the hell?
Uh-oh.
Christmas came early. Actually, Christmas is late.
Yeah.
Hold up. Yes.
Does anything look like it's gonna make a move?
Tradeivate. Is that?
IWM looks bad, like real bad.
Copy.
Tesla looks bad.
Holy shit! Let's go. All right, so there's a funded, and then here's these two other ones. What is? Dude, let's fucking go. I just found a 50K account in Tradeify. Let's go.
Hell yeah.
I don't know how long. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know when I bought this other one. What? Active. Oh, I have this one. What is that one? 653. Let me see.
Yeah, maybe you left auto renewal on. It's possible.
No, I've never traded. I haven't traded this account yet.
Interesting.
When did I buy this one? Does this account work? Oh shit, I gotta sign in over here. Dude, full port this account? What should we do here? Okay. Okay. So now side note. I need to go. I can go get a lightning funded right now, 50% off. Let's see. Do you know what the code is, Em?
Code Wolf.
That'll give me 50% off the lightning funded?
The 25 and 50K.
What? Let's go see.
That's the information I was given.
Hell yeah, $254.
Yeah, no eval, no activation fee. You're just funded immediately. You need to buy a couple of those and get them just set up on automation.
Wait, is this the Let me see. I kind of like these select accounts because if you do the select account for the flex or even the daily with no consistency rules, hell yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm working on right now, is trying to get to some select accounts.
That's what this one is. The one that I just found?
Yeah.
It's a select, it's the 50K.
Yeah, the select account, because like you have two options on the what's it called? On the the payout plan.
Yeah, you can either do the daily or the flex, where you can get daily payout or 5-day payout. Which is nice.
I did the 100K, and I think because there's no consistency, so I think I'm gonna do the flex.
I know, it's I want to get the lightning one for the instant funded, but personally I'd rather just get, I can spend the money, just get a select plan 50% off. I can get that funded. I mean,
You're just automatically funded.
Yeah. But then don't have any consistency rule. I mean, getting instantly funded is nice, but then at the same time, you can pass one of these select accounts in 1 to 3 days and get funded and be fine.
I just know that Tradify, the Project X or whatever, is going away, or went away. I guess you can't buy them anymore technically. So I've been working on these Tradify ones too on the side.
If you get the Lightning account for 50% off, instantly funded, you blow that shit How is there a reset fee, or do you just got to buy the whole account again?
You can just buy it again.
Because I don't see a thing on here where it says
I don't think you can reset
amount.
a funded.
Yeah. I mean, Lightning. Let me see, 100. I'd almost rather just get two more selected accounts.
Yeah, the only thing with the select ones is like it takes like at least 3 days to pass.
Yeah.
The growth ones, I think you can pass immediately.
Yeah, the growth account you can get
has
funded
the,
in one day.
The growth accounts are good too, but I want to try out the select one with the flex pay because there's no consistency. So it's just like every 5 days you can take a payout.
Yeah, I like that. I think that's pretty neat.
I mean, the daily payout thing sounds cool, but you're like,
I'll never use it.
I mean, I would like.
I can already do that, and I never do it.
I think daily payout is cool. I'd rather do weekly payout.
Yeah.
So
well, that's more common.
5 days.
The daily payout would be cool if like you're just like you think about like I'm coming to work, I made $500 today, I paid $500. I just go back to like you build a threshold. So you like build the account up to like $5,000, and there's like everything you make over that each day you just pull out. So if you have a 500 day, if you have a $250 day, $1,000 day, whatever, you can just like pay yourself daily. Like that sounds cool, but the problem is the loss limits and stuff are much less, and then you have a max payout. So I don't know. I like the flex plan. That's the one I'm going for.
What's the advanced account? Is that the growth account?
Advanced? They don't offer advanced anymore. I mean, you can if you already had it, you still have it. We're talking about Tradeify.
Yeah, one of my accounts that I have is an advanced 50K account. Shows you how long I've had this piece of shit. Or actually, I don't know when they got rid of it. Why would people do 25K accounts?
Because they're cheaper. Why do people buy 4 strikes out of the money options on 0DTs? Because they're cheaper.
I mean, the Lightning funded 25 is still $250 for a 25K account. Oh no.
No. Let's go, Jarrett. I thought about doing the Lightning, but I don't know, the consistency is pretty tight.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna stick with this, the advanced one that I have, and then we'll select. All right, are we gonna rip or do something here?
Doubt it.
No, that baby is pissed.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh shit. I mean, that's still consistency on those accounts. That would mean $1,200 a day on 150K.
Man. Ooh. Wait. Does my code give people 50% off too? They're like all affiliate codes are 50% off right now on
Probably.
Tradeify? Hell yeah. Can I want to use my own.
You can't use your own code. That's what's
I
funny.
know. Stupid. Well, shit. Let me go send this out. Tradeify.
Meta perking up a little bit, yeah, a little bit. Microsoft still near the highs. Netflix perking up a little bit. Tesla not perky. Nvidia is a little perky. Broadcom just got perky.
Perky.
Apple's been just recovering. What is that?
She's
So we
trying
got 5-minute Apple charts. Crazy.
rough.
One candle up, goes sideways for 3 candles. One candle up, goes sideways. You know it's hard out here for a pimp. Trying to get this money for the rent.
Sarge said market so boring I started drinking a beer already. Let's go.
Let's go.
Sign me up. That's what I need.
I'm just thinking about it.
For the Cadillacs and gas money spent. Cause a whole lot of just talking shit. Ain't no.
RTY looking rough.
I'm so ready for these stupid holidays to be over with.
Me too. We have so much data from next week all the way to like April. Every single week we have data. Shit coming out.
I'm ready for data to matter again. Casey, go to IWM and look at your 5-minute chart. Look how dirty this is.
I already got RTY shorts pulled up right now, brother. I'm about to get this freaking select account funded.
It's funny because I want a long QQQ.
Spy and
Or
Qs look decent.
Could just be a big bear flag though.
Dude, we've been in a 5-minute, 15, 30-minute, 1-hour squeeze for so long. I think NQ's a long.
We long NQ, short RTY pairs trade.
Yeah,
Oh.
kind of seems that way.
Did you know it's hard out here for a pen?
Oh, here, let's go short RTY in this account. Let's go long NQ in this one. Let's see what happens. The internals, but I mean the tick's coming down. All D's coming down. Fix is flat. God, nothing has came in on the flow since 11 a.m.
Nada. Grab $11 million volume candle. 11 million.
What ticker?
Grab.
Grabs candlesticks on trading view. Don't even do nothing. They look weird. What is this sorcery?
Yeah, jeez.
Why do they look like this?
It's like somebody was like, "Oh, well, taking this loss on Grab. Let me get out of my 10 million shares. Buy them back in a few weeks." You know it's hard out here for a PM when he trying to get this money for the rent. A whole lot of bitches jumping ship. I'm getting really good at sitting here doing nothing.
Yeah.
Really good at doing nothing.
Spreads are
Trying to find
basically
my calling.
worthless. Another successful spread day. Yeah. At least we have each other. Matthew's right.
That there's like 100 lots above us for sale and like 100 lots below us to buy. Aggregate. So it's hard out here for PM.
And here's your 30-minute. Disgusting. You're hourly. You're holding.
Yeah, I need to start blowing on my monitor to get the candle to move.
Yep. Some emojis. Hour and a half.
Nothing burger. Silver or gold in anything? Or oil?
Gold not. Silver. Holding. Kind of just chilling in the middle of this range. It's created intraday. But retraced a lot of yesterday's downside.
Boy, my music just changed directions. Hard left. Cuando te digo que no, la N o la O, tu tiempo se acabó.
Vibes.
No sé cómo sigues pensando que me tienes a tus pies. Ya, supérame.
Dude. Price
least
action
we
has
have each
balls.
That's right, Matthew. At least we have each other. I don't know if you can copy trade Vanquish.
Like copy trade multiple accounts?
I
don't think so.
Get over me.
I mean, is this just a giant bear flag right now?
It's not. I can't decide.
Fuck it. Fuki man.
Dude, the ultimate degen thing would be to like do like a sell 6905 calls and sell 6895 puts on SPX and literally like just try to fillet it. Just naked.
Price action sucks.
Ando tan feliz sin ti.
Yeah, I know.
At least you have Dragon.
I think you can, Tariq, but you might be able to. I'm not sure.
Did you say Tariq?
It's a good Tariq.
Oh, good Tariq.
It's the good.
He almost got banned right there. I mean, Spy looks like it wants to pop. IWM and RTY is holding a double bottom. All I know is when we see the explosive move happen, I'm going to freaking lay into it.
Oh.
Can you chart A-Lab? I can chart anything.
Eso de que me vieran feliz, no, no es cierto. Ya no me hace reír. ¿Qué onda, Pablo? We got a bilingual stream going on here. Hello, So Grupo Firme. Now it's a little Grupo Frontera with Conejo Malo, Bad Bunny. Bad Bunny, be.
Ain't he performing at the Super Bowl?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that he is.
Kind of looks a little bit like an inverse Head and Shoulders.
The longer you look at it, the longer it looks like something it's not. Oh, grab. Do I like Bad Bunny? Yeah, I like Bad Bunny. Recuándote, ahogándome.
Short.
In the tequila, drowning myself. The girl's texting me, where is the party today? But I only have one.
So A-Lab's in a 4-hour squeeze.
A-Lab looks
Mac-
good. We looked at that this morning.
Yeah,
The
MACD is
daily.
bearish, but things are starting to curl to the upside. I think once it starts to break this little zone right here, things will flip bullish on it. It looks good.
Look at the daily.
Let me highlight this real quick and screenshot it. In the perfect world, you want to break through here, but it's gonna move to 200.
I remember listening to Bad Bunny back when he was like first coming out, and it was like all like trap music. Honestly, liked some of those songs better than I like the newer ones.
I'm interested to see Trump's reaction and thoughts about the Super Bowl performance whenever it happens. Think he's gonna be like, it was a great game, just couldn't really understand the halftime show.
I think it's a great decision. Like, if you don't understand why Bad Bunny's playing the halftime show, you don't understand Turn to Girl.
Here we
business.
go. Come on. Bring it down. Bring it down. Lower. Lower. Knife candle. Knife candle. Knife
100 lots
candle.
sitting at 727.
Fucking. Doesn't that just look like whoopsies? She just wants to give. Who shall win and who shall lose?
My 5-year-old's favorite song is La Chona. That's actually funny. It's a good song. Have you ever looked up the lyrics to it, Matthew? Chona means like underwear, by the way.
Yo, grabs popping. Little pop candle. Oxy still cruising.
Let's see what happens in these.
Did it fill my order yet? No? My God. Come on. Fill the order. Filled. Ah. Let's go. Yay! Yay! Yeah, Oxy's been on fire today. Remember that Flow came out at $41 at like the retest on 10.15, and then it's just been cruising up higher.
Did you? My wife is mixing my suegra doesn't speak it. Oh, there you go. Okay, we're the same. Matthew, are we brothers? Let's go. It's funny. My parents don't speak Spanish. My dad's actually learned a decent amount on Duolingo. My mom zero Spanish. My
Duolingo.
mother-in-law zero English.
Aldi Q just got a nasty candle. That was like the freaking slowest 10-point gain on NQ ever.
Dude, I know.
I'm short at 735, and I covered some at 725. I got more at 720. Like for it at least go hit that. That'll put me out. Half. Ticks above the zero line. Valdez still holding up. VIX actually went a little bit lower. It's just Q's weak. On TY just basing.
The key. Yeah, I knew Spanish before I came to Mexico. Yeah, exactly. Every time you think it's going down, it gets bought up. Every time you think it's gonna push, it gets sold.
Push it loud.
So anyway, I haven't done anything since 11:30. Once it fell back in the range, I said, nah. Nail. Dum, 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 dum. ¿Qué será de mi vida si tú? Boy, I need a beer now for sure. Because we are
Place your bets.
46 subscribers away from 3K on here. Can we get that by the end of tomorrow? Matthew, you should see the opposite. Actually, I kind of have both. I have one son that looks more like my wife. It's like my features, but looks more like my wife. And then I have a blonde son that speaks Spanish. Like very few English. But he understands it. He's so young though. It really trips people out when we're like out at a store or something, or like out in public, and I like say something to my blonde son in English and he responds in Spanish. People get so confused. Can you go over Bullflow and how you use it? I just signed up for the month.
Is that for me?
Yeah.
Bullflow. I love Bullflow. Here. Let me see if I can switch this tab real quick. Uno momento, por favor. All we see is Jordan's pool in his office right now.
Got it.
There we go. Okay. So one main thing that I look at is top of the screen here. Just hit the notification button. You'll get this drop down. I like looking at position building repeated orders and urgent repeated orders. So this is the Oxy, $42 calls right here. Urgent repeated flow, just when the same strike just continues to get hit over and over again. And then the main one is this one right here. It highlights green, showing you that it's an unusual trade. This was at 10:20 this morning. If you go pull up your Oxy chart right now, you'll be able to see what happened around that time. It's around the exact same time whenever I called out that flow on it, and then just getting the ripper to the upside. So I like having this little tab open for these alerts right here. You can also create your own. So I have one set for larger sweeps. So one thing you can do is go to filters here. And then if you don't want to see like all the little ones, then you can say like, I only want to see things that are like 500,000 up. So then it highlights all these ones yellow. These are all 500,000 orders in larger. So you'll see like a lot of things on Circle right here. CRM, these are all block orders. I like looking at sweeps majority of the time. So like PayPal is a put that sold. A lot of GLD flow as well. Cool thing about it is whenever you see something like this one right here, like this is 3,000 contracts. So it's very unusual for this one right here. I can click on it. I hit isolate contract, and then it's going to show me all of the orders that are specifically for that one. That way I can see if there's multiple orders, if there is another hedge. So for this one specifically, for SMR, $20 calls for 6/18/2026, as of today, there's no other ones that go along with this one. It's just the single order. Someone bought 3,000 contracts at 2.5. So, I mean, that can be a very, very good sign. And another thing that I like to do is up here at the top, you can just click like sweeps over 100K and do unusual, and boom, there it is. These are all of the sweeps today that are over 100K in size and all unusual flow. So that pulls it up nicely. Here's INTC, $65 call. These are leaps. I mean, you can just, and then again, you can click on it, hit isolate contract, and it'll show you if there's any other ones that are in here as well, which is neat. We're getting a little move down here on QQQ. It didn't trigger. It didn't trigger the other ones. It got close. It's about a point or so off. And then they have these other ones for position builders, repeated flow. There's nothing on there. Sizable. These are going to be your largest orders. So Tesla, 365 calls. I think I called this one out earlier. Just the one that's right there. One thing that I like to do is you can go to, we'll type in Tesla. Let's see what Tesla has for all of these ones. You can click on Tesla. You can go to your net premium chart. We'll do today. Dun, 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 dun. Once it loads all this data, I also have like 8 other things streaming on this right now, so that could be my bad.
Why is Costco getting a pump?
Costco pumping?
It's about to gap fill.
Hurry up, load. It might not load. See if it loads. Oh, here we go. This one's kind of cool. So this is your net premium heat map, which is kind of cool. I like looking at this. And then they recently offered the gamma exposure, which is neat. So I can go here, type in Tesla. There it is. So pull up your gamma exposure here. You can look at it on the heat map. I like to look at it on the chart as well. It'll automatically chart those things on here for you. I have support and resistance lines automatically drawn on this as well, which is kind of cool with the daily SMA 50 and then support and resistance lines. So it kind of throws that moving average here for you, marks your areas of support and resistance, and then you'll see your net GEX over here on the right side. You'll see right up there on the daily chart, 500 being the largest one. You can do this with everything. You can type in AMD, do the same thing. So AMD has resistance. Its net GEX right now is right at 220. You can go to the heat map again, and it will show you all of those things over here as well. Someone said there was some cost flow earlier today. Let's go take a gander. Go here, let me reset the screen, type in Costco. I mean, Costco has a lot of weird flow. A lot of $1 million orders, a lot of puts being bought.
I think Costco's probably a good candidate for tax loss harvesting.
Filled. Yeah. All right. I just sold out half of the short. Let's go.
We actually pulling back?
Yeah. Just got to fill for 720. 15 points. Oh, shit.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, ho, ho, ho!
IWM just made a new low.
Bang! There's 20 points. All right. All right. All right.
NVIDIA just broke VWAP.
Yeah.
IWM, yeah, new low of day.
Here, let me change this back.
Oh. You finally break that little trend line? We did.
A little bit there. Yeah, we just hit this equal low on these candles before. I only have a few left. Nice move. RTY make new lows?
Yeah. Let's go. There is a crying baby in one direction for me, and there is a weed eater and a leaf blower the other directions drive me up a wall.
Let's go.
This is the best hot sauce ever created. Unless you make homemade, like, actual salsa. Casey?
Yeah. Oh, the Taco Bell Diablo sauce? Hell yeah.
Best hot sauce you can get in a bottle.
Oh, boom! I just took out some more at 710. Let's fucking go.
Just shorted IWM.
I know, right? Here, and let me send it to you. It just took out that order, but... All right, can we get to 700? What do we think? We think we can get 700?
Oh, yeah. 705. And I'm watching it with ES because ES SPX has got like 2 more points of room. 3 more.
Bang, bang. Some lift calls just came in.
They were just saying lift on the Squawker.
Get out of my way. Where the fuck is lift? What the fuck is this? All right, well, take me back to QQQ then, since you don't want to load shit. Oh my god! Yes! Yes! Yes!
Something is going on with lift. It just got a big old candle.
Is it really? Here, the flow that came in was $21 calls for 220. Oh yeah, Liftamundo. Let's just click on this real quick. There you go. Someone said silver just fell off a cliff. Sheesh. What cute. What did it just hit? 705. Let's see. Someone bought 2,600 contracts of Lyft $21 calls for February 20th, 2026 for 307,000. Another order came in directly after that for 110. Largest order came in right after that. Someone bought 6,245 contracts, $762,000. All of those came in within about 1 to 2 minutes of each other. I mean, not a bad area to look for it. I
haven't heard a single headline, but silver needs to rug like another 5 to 10% down.
RTY. Just getting slam new lows. Silver. Holy silver. What? Oh my god. This chart's probably going to have delayed data on it, won't it? Maybe not. Let's see. No, it's good. Look at that.
Yeah.
Shawty said, get down, good lord.
Shawty wanna ride with me, ride with me. Dude, I feel like doing a just degen silver trade.
I'm thinking about it.
I mean, I'm already in puts, but
Yeah, silver dumpy dumpy. Lift
come
trying to
on.
continue?
I want this to go down to where I wanted it to go down to earlier, which was 650 again.
What?
And I want SPY to go to the daily 9.
I mean, lift February 20th, $20 calls. Where are they sitting at right now? $21 calls. Sorry. There's no way. What am I doing something wrong? What the fuck? That's got. What's the price on these contracts? I have to be reading something wrong.
On what?
I am reading something wrong. What the fuck? Oh, that's why. Anyone want to grab these lift calls for fun? Cheap.
A $20 holla?
The 21 for February 20th. Lotto.
I really want to get long Airbnb. This stock has just been a complete headache. But I think they're going to get a huge boost off of the World Cup. in a 20-point range on the S&P. Oh, I'm crushing this chicken and rice with the hot sauce. Diablo. They call him El Diablo. I think it's Spanish for like fighting chicken or something. Was that Ricky Bobby? He's like, yeah, well, I'm going to be El Diablo. Oh, what's that mean? It's Spanish for like fighting chicken or something.
Bring it down. Bring it down, clown.
I'm gonna start playing the accordion over here. Every drunk Mexican plays the accordion on their chest.
All right. I had 15 contracts. I have sold 12 of them. I have 3 left. I just posted it on X. Let's picture my screen right over here with the MNQ chart on it. It'll show you the entry for the short and then the nice little move down here. So let's just see if now that we broke structure, these last 3 runners can just pay.
Oh, I am bored. There's an 87 lot sitting on the bid at 707.25. I'm telling you, SPX is just married. Where's Maria? SPX is married.
Spy's holding
to
better.
6900.
Spy's holding a lot better. Q's was just weaker.
It's
Ooh, QCOM. Silver still dying. I just had another little knife candle there. Can probably get a little bounce right here at 75.5. There we go. Qs. Yeah.
Oh.
Come on. Yes. 700. All right. I just filled that other one. Let's go.
I want to be excited, but it's only 40 points.
Yeah, 30. What was that? 36 for me.
I was just talking about the range.
Yeah. I just caught 36 points there. So
bring it down, Clark.
Now we have 2 left. We had 3. Now we have 2.
IWM's about to make another new low. Robinhood just made a new low of day. Palantir's at the low. AMD new low of day.
Daggone RTY. Short the freaking pop.
Meta does not give a shit. Peruvian green salsa.
The Peruvian puff pepper. What do you mean? What do you mean rejected that order? What do you mean rejected that order? I want to short it. Why won't you let me? Short it to the ground.
Oh. ¿Qué onda perdida?
You have SIL. What's the other one for silver?
ZSL.
No,
Wait, what do you
for futures? What's the mini?
SI.
Just SI?
Yeah.
So you have SI and SIL.
SIL is like micro.
Oh.
Oh. ZSL is the short 2x leverage ETF. ¿Qué onda perdida? Who in the chat earlier said firm group? That cracked me up.
Bring it down.
Drop it.
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
Guys, reminder, make sure you are live on the stream. Every once in a while, if you're on YouTube and your computer or whatever buffers, sometimes you got to go hit that live button. Make sure you catch up to live. Friendly reminder.
There you go. Yes. Yes. Oh, there it is. It just took the other order. I have one left. Let's go.
Oh, just die.
Damn. Shawty, get down. Good Lord.
SPX is still at 6,900. It still hasn't even broken down. IWM just hit my next target down.
Damn.
Damn, son. Why'd you long this? Tradeaholics.
Oh, what the shit?
Está ocupando tu cama. Oh, they're letting it fall apart. Oh,
Yes.
well, this is what I wanted to happen this morning. These
Yeah.
30
Look, we hit it. We hit it.
sons of Satan.
There we go. All right, we hit the level
Hijo
on
de su
cues.
Pinche madre.
There we go. All right, hooded bowl for the win. Trend line break. Let's go.
Let's take it down to 500.
Now I can probably get a little bouncy.
I
The
want
lift flow.
500.
We know, brother.
Oh, is it just a long right here?
For a support bounce, I would not be surprised if we do see it. Would not be surprised.
Just don't. I have no faith that these sellers are going to break 6,900 on SPX. No faith. They had a chance this morning. They couldn't do it twice. Compa, que le parece Zamora. Voy a conquistar tu familia. I have zero faith. I should have played this long bounce, actually. Just zero faith that they're actually going to break this thing down. Oh, we got a screamer.
We got a screamer. All right, just posted that QQQ chart on X, and then again, just one left. But this is the same spot from earlier. I would expect it to bounce.
See if some of the futures crew comes on and chats with us on this slow day. Where did Jordan say he was leaving? Jordan just fell asleep.
He might be taking a nap.
I didn't realize it was power hour.
Oh shit! Yeah, it is.
I knew I should have played the bounce.
Look at that wick. Straight to the level.
You just look at SPX, it's not going to go under that 6,900 unless it back tests the trend line it broke. Nombre Boris. This might be one of the most boring days.
What happened with Diggs? What did I miss?
Tell me why I just typed in the ticker Diggs.
He got charged with felony strangulation.
Oh yeah, I saw that headline earlier.
Who did he strangle? Who's the victim in this case?
A woman who worked as his personal chef per allegations. Dispute rose out of a financial disagreement over pay.
Yes, I see that on TMZ now.
Dang it, dude. Why didn't I play the long?
Damn.
Damn, son.
Well, he's probably done.
He's denying it, so depends what kind of evidence. KC, why did you short?
Well, technically I did a front run of the trade, but 621, this area right here on Qs. If you look at the MNQ chart, oh, dadgummit. Well, not pull. Why does this chart all messed up and won't let me do anything? How do I change it? It's on X. A resistance spot. Let me see if I can switch charts here in a second. See if this works. Let me flip this. Let me change the screen to a different window and see if it works. See if that works.
I love how we get Jordan's just like full.
There you go.
Every time we change, it's like the default.
So this area over here, this is from previous price action showing double top sellers stepping in heavy around this area. This was nothing more than if you just drag that over here. We did it here. I did nothing more than do it there. That's essentially that's all that it was. It was nothing more than this was just an area where sellers had stepped in prior. And then go to QQQ, look where we just kept rejecting and couldn't get over. This exact same spot. Hits here, seller step in, it's a short. Again, it was this candle here, just short. What I anticipated on, and it kind of worked out, but the big green candle here on the left on Qs, this middle little hanging man, I anticipated this candle closing red, because if it did, that would form an evening star here on the 5 minute. If you want to, stretch it a little bit, you can articulate if it did curl down right there, you would have your small little head and shoulders right there. And then we drew the trend line because overall on the bigger picture, just like Imp said, he was like, what if this is just a giant bear flag? So if you go to your 10 minute, there's the short, and it's kind of what we drew on the other one. Your downside here, and then we drew that trend line right there. So I kind of had a nice front run entry, at least back down to these lows here where buyers kept stepping in right on the trend line. Once buyers failed to step in, they closed underneath of it. We came down here. Where did we bounce? You see this highlighted green zone? It's a highlighted green zone for a reason. That means look for buyers to step in here. Right? Drag it over. This is why Imp was talking about, is it's just a fucking long right here. It was a great spot. It was a great spot to exit short. And the reason why I freaking exited the short there, and then it's a great spot for, like Imp said, this is just a long.
Like this is hammer.
Yeah. I mean,
this should just go right back to that trend line.
Yeah, and here it is on the 5 minute. So it's nothing more than just identifying where are your sellers present, and then where are your buyers present. And that's it. That's really it. Your buyers are present in this area here. We just hit it again here. Again, sellers are present here. And it showed it here, and again right there. So that's literally it. That's all that it is.
The other thing, like where he was entering and taking the short, like he mentioned he kind of front ran it, but the thing was he knew he had a really tight risk reward there. Like if he was, if it was going to be wrong, he was going to be wrong quick, and be able to, invalidate the trade quick. He didn't have to like sit there and fight it or chase it.
So at least coming down to these lows where that trend line area was right here, entering when that candle closed, risking, say, this candle high right here, at least coming back down to this low, that puts my risk reward right there already at a 2.5, which is a good risk to reward, right? You're going to risk losing $100 to potentially make 250 when it hits that target. For me, obviously that was out half and then trim the other half on the way down here. And that overall is a 6. So that's a 1 to 6 risk to reward from start to finish. Again, sold half at 2.5. which that go ahead and locks in a 1.25 risk reward no matter what. Because if the other half bounces there and gets stopped out, and that's it, sold half at a 2.5 risk reward, net green overall of a 1.25 risk reward trade, not bad. It's still positive. Fortunate for me, it broke the trend line, continued lower, and played out for a 1 to 6 risk reward, and trimmed out the other half on the way down. So really tight stop there if it closed over that area.
Compa, ¿qué le parece esa morra? I'm just listening to Banda, waiting on the market to close so I can go to the beer store. Honestly, that's about all I'm thinking about. Now, if this back tests that same zone and bounces, so the wick, maybe I can try it. I just wonder if this SPX 6900 that we just keep just coming right back to over and over and over. That's just our pinpoint. Dime cantinero,
What
tú
the
sabes de venas. Por unas monedas.
Apparently, I've been muted in Discord. Or not muted. I'm not muted, but the audio is not working in Discord. What the hell? Oh, no, he said he can hear me. Sar said he can. Okay, it's only half you guys. Okay.
Oy, 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 oy. Spread them. Where's Jordan?
Dude, Jordan went and took a nap.
What if Jordan's just like dead and we don't know that?
Why the fuck would you ever say something like that?
Dude, I just worry about these things. I don't want to lose them. It's like something my wife would ask. I just want to click buttons.
Well, let's see if this works now. And that back says rejection right there.
Mm-hmm. Damn, son. Pero aquí sigo chambeando, los billetes me están dando, Baba Kush estoy sembrando.
Baba Kush.
Baba Kush. This is a song about I'm still here working and the bills are still following to me. I am growing Baba Kush. And I'm taking out the packs. I'm driving brand new cars. Every year I'm buying one, a Mercedes 550. And
Let's go.
What do you say, Ropa de Marca? It's like brand name clothing.
Spreads are cooking.
Hey,
Spreads are cooking.
he's back.
What's up?
Spread them.
Jordan.
I went running around.
Jordan, I thought you died, to be honest.
Sorry.
Dude, Jordan, you missed it.
What did I miss? The drop?
I caught 40 points.
Let's go, baby. My spreads held up during it.
Jordan,
Happy
even
to see
chat
it.
was worried about you. So they said, check the pool, make sure Jordan isn't dead.
No, we good.
He mugged too hard and passed out from lack of oxygen.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mugged too hard, bro. Beer store or OXXO? Yes.
Oxo to juice, man.
I'm in 29 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm going to OXXO. Aquí sigo chambeando. Jordan, are you going to Tennessee?
That's in a few weeks, huh?
You're the
Yeah.
only 10 I see.
Because you're the only 10 I see.
Yeah, I need to get my flight for that.
Are you from Jamaica? Because Jamaica
Making
crazy.
me crazy.
Oh, what we got? We got a little bit left.
Silver bounty.
Is it?
A little bit.
I can't say this out loud.
Which one?
I think I know which one.
It
You know, I
just
could
texted.
take a nap though. Nap sounds good.
And I couldn't say that one out loud.
I'm gonna re-up the water.
What? I've never heard that, Imp.
So because like you're like, are you from Tennessee? And they think you're gonna just use the classic pickup line, and you're like, then you hit them with that one.
You want me to say it?
No, we're gonna keep that one.
I'll say it. I don't care.
I know you will. Like, it's not the point. Works every time. Source, trust me, bro.
We're still in a 10-minute squeeze. Still
How
in a 15-minute.
How far of a drive is it from where you live to like the coast?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, like fucking 30, 45 minutes?
Oh, so you're way over there. Did you know who I'm worried about? B-Trades.
You know, I was just in South Carolina. I should have sent him a message.
Did I send him a message a while back? I haven't heard from him. He hasn't posted or anything in forever.
Really?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
When's the last time he sent a post?
Like August?
What?
I know. I noticed
Right.
like in like October, I was like, dude, we haven't heard from B-Trades. Are you a rooster farmer? I like that one. Hey, Jordan, are you a rooster farmer?
We rooster farming?
Because you're really great at raising.
Well, FOMC minutes was in fact a nothing burger.
Yep. If I called anything today, I called that one.
Ugh.
What are the odds that? What are the odds that we push back up to the middle? Oh, SPX is already in the middle.
I was gonna say like SPY Qs is a little bit lower, but SPY is already there.
What is today's range? It's 20 points, and then we're
Is it
exactly
20
in the middle.
points? No.
20-point range, and we are sitting right on the midpoint, like to the tick right now. 69.51.
Rough.
Yeah, NQ 119.5. There's
Oh my god. Price action blows.
I'm loading silver puts again.
Silver.
Uh-oh. Fuck. Hey, just careful. My luck will run out, you know. It's not unlimited.
Don't tell me how to live my life, sir.
Dang,
Is
it
there a-
rejected. It rejected half gap perfectly. Like that was fucking perfect.
Is there a holiday coming up in? Is January 8th a holiday?
I don't think so.
Uh,
I don't know.
January 8th? Not in America.
Is that President's Day?
Fuck if I know.
No, President's Day is in
That's February 16th.
Martin Luther King Day is the 19th. Oh man. I wish I would have known that before I booked my flights the other day.
Dude, January 8th is National Bubble Bath Day. So like, maybe we should do a bubble bath live stream? Celebrate? I don't know.
Bubble bath live stream?
Yeah, January 8th. It's National Bubble Bath Day.
Maybe a move.
I'm so down.
Then I'll set up my laptop in the bath. I mean, that's easy.
Sigue la paranda.
Oh, I can sell my bathwater on WAP. Yeah, that'd be pretty cool.
Yeah.
You don't even have to do OnlyFans for that. You can just do that on WAP. Hell yeah.
These silver puts are cheap.
Holy price action.
I just wish I started spreads earlier.
Same. Like, that's the only thing today I wish I would have done differently. Is just freaking sat in an Iron Condor and left.
I know. I should have had some call spreads on. But it is what it is. Oh.
No pasado, de no importado. He sido cabrón, ni se diga vago.
Vibes.
Just vibing. IWM's about to make a new low.
Oh no.
Arnar. Tesla puts before the close again. I mean, how much lower can she go? I mean, look at this daily chart. I mean, it's yucky.
El amor no de inmensos. Ooh, IWM made a new low. Make volatility great again. No fear in the market. I'm not gonna go anywhere.
Yeah,
That was kind of my claim the other day. Like, I was like, I just don't see where we like break out or fall because there's no wall of worry to climb. There's no fear to take us down. It's probably mid-January, like earnings season or later, before we start to move.
Yeah.
Dude, I don't know. This is looking.
And VIX is so low. Even selling spreads is like not that great. There's not as much like vol to even sell.
Yeah, you
So
have
we
to
need
get it
the
early in the
market
morning.
to
Like
crash.
you can't try and really sell spreads after like 11 o'clock. It's hard.
That's my cutoff time.
Yeah.
If I'm not in a spread by 11 a.m., I missed it. I don't know. I said it yesterday. SPY and Qs, I think, are trash. If I were to do anything, it'd be swing short on IWM. So far, IWM chart compared to SPY and Qs looks rough. Paper told me it was long. I still think this thing goes lower.
I don't know, but I'm vibing over here.
No, There's look at the hourly on IWM though. Like yucky.
The daily looks like it's going to the 50-day. 246.
I mean, it hasn't had a single green freaking hourly candle. Just straight red.
Y por amor le lloré como un chiquillo.
About to hit some support down here, finally, but shit. Right there.
Se regresó.
It breaks this trend line in 248. I mean,
Y me dijo amor.
yucky.
El amor nos vuelve menso.
Okay. That's accelerating. Spine Q's not doing too much. IWM just got a little acceleration downside. Do we have room to 448 on Tesla? I mean, technically you have room to 0, but the only issue I have with Tesla is, see, look, I have the alert set right there. Break, retest, rejection, short. And like, I think you can see 445.
My level's right there at 454. If that doesn't hold, then yeah, that's what I had next.
Like the daily, it's like, I don't know if it's get lucky again to try to swing short. But I mean, it definitely don't look good. Oopsies. I mean, I think it was from here to there. And it's like hitting this one here. So, I mean, I don't know if I'd start a new position just for it to go right there. I think if you're already short, you're good. Chasing it here is a little bit iffy. Oh shit, we got MOC coming out in 10 seconds, and IWM is dying.
Let's go.
Like, oh my god. That candle's still going. I mean, Spine Q's getting a little rejection. There's your trend line.
6,900 again?
Yeah, and there's your trend line right there on iDubbbz. I mean,
There's no way they
248.
break this.
I mean, real raggy. DEO? What is DEO? Yeah, that looks good for a little bit of a long. Looks good. I don't hate it. All right, there's your
There's a
MOC.
buy.
Tiny. Freaking tiny.
There's like nothing even over 1 million shares.
Yeah, it's
Nothing of note.
Yeah,
It's tiny.
471 million to the buy side on S&P. Nasdaq was 317.
So I
Small.
should scalp this long, right?
Nah.
I don't know. I could see It's either argument. Either you go back to the middle, or SPX comes down to 6,900, which would take Inky like to low of day. Actually, no. It just takes it to that same spot.
See if any crazy flows coming in.
Well, reminder that 60% off sale on Vanquish is still happening until the 2nd. So take advantage. Use code Wolf. Tradeify's got that sale going on too. I might pick up one of those instant funded accounts, to be honest. I've never tried one of those.
Some Walmart call sells coming in.
Hood looks like a short.
Get me out of my spreads.
Oh, hoodie.
Let me lock in a $580 day.
Oh, damn. Yeah,
Yep.
you want to swing it short?
Kinda.
All right.
Like 110s.
Yeah. What expiration?
He kind of wants it.
Maybe the 16th.
Yeah.
$290. Gosh, those are expensive.
They're expensive. That's the only one that has decent volume on it, though. There's a little bit of volume on the 100s, but that's way too far out of the money.
Oh, they're gonna pull it.
I'd size down because they're a little bit more expensive, but I don't mind it.
They're just gonna wick this right back up, aren't they?
Q's is getting schmiggity smacked right now.
I just don't think they're gonna break it.
Probably not.
Watch them take it right back to like 710 into the close. Oh, 5-minute flip over.
Dang, hymns. Remember that alert went off earlier when it broke 33 point, what was it, 7-0? Holy shit. Last hour just completely sold. Oh, hymns is a fat short too. How much time we got? Oh, we got plenty of time.
Like it's gonna bounce right here.
Hymns, 116. Puts. Are they cheap? Oh my god, they're stupid cheap. Why are they so spready though? Okay, February 20th. Not bad. A little bit better.
I expect DS to bounce right here.
Hymns, $30 puts. February 20th here, $170. Swang. Just a few.
Oh, I'm short a lot of silver. Hood. Oh, Amazon.
Amazonian.
Oh no. Amazon looks like a long and a half.
Yes, it does. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes, it does, baby. Oh, yes, it does indeed. That's a fucking long. Look how that daily's closing. That's a fucking long. Hughes is about to break that level. Look at Microsoft. Still freaking chilling. It's like 7 days straight. It's right, dude. I have the alert set at 2:33 on Amazon. Look, I already got it drawn out. It's at the top of the range. Look how this weekly's closing too. Are we swinging these as well?
Yeah, they're gonna take out this low at the close. Is that
Yeah.
for real?
Q's is looking like trash.
No way.
Dude, Amazon? Yeah. How much time's left? I got a minute 45 seconds. I can do it. February 16 or January 16 or February 20s. Holy shit, contracts are expensive.
Minute 30. Are they really gonna let SPX drop here? Oh, they're taking it.
Are they dropping it? Oh yeah. Gonna make a new low a day? Ah!
No way.
Dude, IWM. It's at the equal low. Hughes is at the equal low too. Oh, dude. I kind of want to send this order right here on Amazon. The 240s for January 16th? The only issue I have.
I was
Take
stuck
me out.
between.
Look, this is.
Oh,
This is the. Oh, there it is. Oh. Oh!
Get me out of my spreads.
Damn, son. Look, we played the short up here. We called the bounce right here, and the back test rejection, new low. Look at this.
Boom, I'm out.
Look, so I'm not going to swing Amazon.
Cha-ching.
This is the reason why I can't swing it yet.
They really made a new low of day.
They did. Look, this is why. Like, I gotta be patient here. It's just as much as I want to front run, it hasn't been confirmed. And every single time that area is tested, what does Amazon do? Amazon comes right back down here every single time. So I just gotta be a little bit more patient on this one. Fucking hymns. I want to see this thing go to 30 within the next few days or weeks. Oh, look, they bought it back up, though. Right at the close.
That's a beautiful day, ladies and gents. My
But they
spread
did
just
make
got
it-
closed out.
100% Jordy on the spreads?
Yeah, I sold some of them in the middle of the day. But I
Nice.
mean 100% on the rest of them. So I had 50, I sold 30, and then I took the rest. So
Nice.
good day. I'm happy. We're gonna do it again tomorrow. And yeah, we'll see what kind of moves this market wants to give us, but
BYOD tomorrow.
hard for me to care too much when we can just sell these spreads and collect. So if we don't want to do anything, whatever. All good with me. I need to turn this off.
SPY did not make a new low of day.
No.
No,
them.
SPY held.
Well, chat. We're out of here. Beautiful day. Make sure you guys are liking and subscribing. Take advantage of all the sales going on right now. I know Clear Edge has the free trial plus the $50 off once you end up signing up. You got 60% off at Vanquish right now till the 2nd. Tradeify is running, I don't know the exact deal there. It's 50% off something, right? I don't know. Either way, ton of deals going on. So take advantage of those. We'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow's Wednesday. Got the Yield Max show, and then we'll be back on stream for the rest of the day. So we'll see everybody then. Hope y'all enjoy the night, and we'll see you guys bright and early on Spaces. Peace out, y'all.
Later.